Hey there, welcome back guys. Today we're going to be experimenting with the Helix effect. Really nice effect you can add to your B-roll footage. It's just a compilation of different things happening within one particular part of your video that you would just add to all of them. Alright, so what you want to do is click on the right hand side where I tap, see that? And the menu appears, and you're going to click on Quick Shots. And when you click on Quick Shots, there's a menu on the right hand side, okay? And you'll see the Helix, right? Tap it, and you see the aircraft ascends while flying in a spiral that expands gradually with the camera centered on the subject, which would be me or you or whatever you have going on. All right, so that's what we want. Just tap anywhere on the outside of the screen, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna highlight the subject, and then like that. And then press the start button and it'll just work its magic. Now remember, obstacle avoidance does not work. So just make sure that you're aware of your surroundings and where the drone's gonna be. There's enough room to go back, enough room to go around, etc. Okay? All right, so there we go. 3, 2, 1. It's gonna work its magic. Of course, you could move. It's not like the pano effect. The drone simply is gonna spiral around, go up, and around, kind of like a really nice shot that it will take, and simply just kind of like a POI effect around the subject, but just moving back in. Again, make sure that the area is clear, and then that's pretty much, see, it's locked on me, and then it says returning. So when it's returning, that's it. It's done doing the recording process. So and then simply takes about a minute or two to do this, and then it says returning, even though it's here. We're just going to back up a little bit so you can hear me a little better. I see a plane in the sky, but that's okay, we're down here. And then what you want to do is, you want to see that play button, you press the play button, alright? And everything should load. Remember, it's doing this wirelessly, so it takes a little bit of time for everything to just send. Maybe I'll just pull the antennas up. So that, there we go, and 28 seconds. So what you do is you press play, and there it is. There's your quick shot reel, which is really nice. You know, you could add it to your B-roll. It doesn't have to be a person. It could be a building. It could be a tree. It could be the champions in the background, you know, just jumping up and down, saying yay, because it's the end of the school year. That's their party, their rite of passage to the end. And that's it. So now you know how to do the Helix effect. Hopefully you have a hell of a good time. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. And I'll see you all next time.